There's no denying that online reviews have a direct impact on your business. Regardless if you're shopping for a new car, looking for a real estate agent, or need a plumber, everyone checks reviews. Having reviews is a powerful way of building trust in your company and services, and yet it's one of the major factors that is often overlooked by small business owners. You could have 100 Zillow or Facebook reviews, and that's all good. However, stop to consider this. Where do most searches begin? On Google, of course. Google is an ocean of search results and still the main search engine in the world. We understand that asking for and collecting online reviews isn't always easy or comfortable. You've got enough on your plate rather than chasing up clients for a review. Fortunately, Real Leads Finder Pro makes this process painless. Using our system, you can easily set up automated workflows that run continuously behind the scenes, reminding past clients to leave you a review. Here's a quick overview of just how easy it is to automate review requests to your clients. When you integrate your Google profile with Real Leads Finder, then the system will easily generate a new link for you here. Now where you can either send a request immediately or follow a custom schedule. You can easily customize your review texts by inserting your logo and typing in a text that you would like your clients to receive. Make sure to include the link to your review. You can set it to go immediately, an hour or days ahead. You can also set it to repeat every 1 day, every 2, 3, 4, 5 days, however many times as you'd like. On the right, it'll show you what it looks like on as a text. And then if you scroll down here, you'll also be able to customize an email, a follow-up email. Again, asking them to leave you a review. You can easily type in your subject line here, your heading, and then also a message. There is the custom text that says, or default text that says, "Would you be so kind to recommend us? Thank you for your business." And again, you can see here on the right, it shows you what it would look like on a tablet, on a mobile, and on a desktop. And you can also set the timing to either go out immediately or space it out. We're going to leave it as is here in the default. And until clicked, please keep trying and then it tells you 3 days, 1 week, 15 days, so on. So we're going to just set it to 5 here. And save. And this is what it looks like on a mobile. All they have to do is click the yes button. And this is what it looks like on desktop and tablet. All of your reviews will be displayed in your dashboard along with all of your text messages, emails, contacts, Facebook messages, and LinkedIn messages too. Everything funneled into one place so that you won't have to go searching from place to place for them. Using our system, we have placed advanced artificial intelligence and automation marketing right into your hands. Think about what this can do for your business. We also provide you with beautiful real estate email templates for your real estate leads. Watch our next video for more information. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.